So this is the second type of questions, in fact, the equation type, second type of equation, which is the first type. You have the cosine of x is equal to a number, like 1/2. You try to guess the angle in here, and you draw the unit circle. Right now, I give you another thing with directly with cosine. Let's say 70. There is this thing, which is, I am not going to ask it to you, but since I am recording a video, I want to explain that one. If you have something like sine, let's say 50 in here, you need to use these reciprocal ratios, like reduction, I forgot the name. Anyway, the 50, same as 90 minus 40. I'm using 90 because when it's 90, I can change this 90, this sine into cosine because of 90. Then because of 90, sine turns into cosine, and cosine, you remove the angle 90 over there, you can also say that is 40. So you get the equation cosine x equals cosine 40, which is they are not the same like this one. You need to make them same. Anyway, from this page, we will be solving this example, cosine minus 40. Whenever you have such a question, the first thing to do, cosine, cosine, they are exactly the same. So this is exactly the same with the next one. 2x plus pi over 6. How much degree is that? 180 over 6. 30 degree. Okay, 2x plus 30 degree equals minus 40 degree. After you set up the equation, you have to do that. Cosine, cosine, same, so the inside parts has to be the same. After you set up the equation, you have to insert this plus 2k pi in this step. Remember. And then you can solve for this case, plus 30 going to the other side. It's being minus 30. So when it's minus 30, you get minus 70 in here. And then you divide by 2, 1x minus 35, and 2k pi over 2, 1k pi, and k element integer. Many people has forgotten the second case, which is cosine of minus 40 degree. If I show that, let's say that's equal to a number like a in here, I will try to show this idea on the unit circle. Minus 40 degree, you start from 0, you go 40 down, and the cosine of this equals to a dot, a point like a over there. Actually, there is another angle that can give us the same result, which is if I draw another line to the top part. So this is the x1, that will be x2 right now. So it can give me the same result, which is cosine of 2x plus 30 in here. It should be equal to result A. So to get result A, minus 40, one option. So the other option is this angle. So these parts that we call related, they have to be the same. In the previous one, we used to insert 30, 30, 45, 45, 60, 60. So since we know that this one is 40, the other one has to be 40 also. So for the x2 from 0 to there, it's positive 40, which is all of these inside part again, 2x plus 30 should be equal to, in this second case, positive 40. And after you set up the equation, you need to insert plus 2k pi, and then plus 30 other side, minus 30, same steps. 10 plus 2k pi, and here you have 2x. You should divide everything by 2x, 5 degree has to be written. Some teachers, they really care about that. I don't very much. So that's equal to 5 degree plus k pi. Thanks for listening.